How do TPMS sensor ID numbers work in trucks? Imagine trying to keep track of tire pressure on a huge truck with many wheels. It would be tough without a system that knows exactly which tire is which. That's where TPMS sensors come into play. Each of these sensors has a special ID number that acts like a name tag. When the sensor is installed on a tire, it gets assigned a unique ID that the truck's computer can recognize. This ID is stored in the sensor's hardware and is sent along with tire pressure data every time the sensor transmits. When you replace or rotate tires, or if a sensor is swapped out, the truck needs to know which ID belongs to which tire location. This process is called relearning or registering the sensor IDs. There are different ways to do this. One way is called auto-relearn, where the truck is driven for a certain distance, and the system automatically detects and assigns the sensor IDs to the correct tires. Some trucks requiring you to drive a specific number of miles or follow certain steps to activate this mode. Another method is called OBD relearn. This involves connecting a special tool to the truck's onboard diagnostic port. The tool writes the sensor IDs directly into the truck's electronic control unit, or ECU. This method is precise and often used for larger trucks and 18-wheelers. It allows the technician to program each sensor ID exactly where it belongs. There's also stationary relearn, where the truck stays still. Using a TPMS tool and following specific commands, the technician activates each sensor one by one, usually starting from the front left tire and moving clockwise. This way, the system learns each sensor's ID without needing to drive the truck. The sensor ID itself is a string of numbers embedded in the sensor hardware. When the sensor detects tire pressure, it transmits this ID along with the pressure data. The truck's computer then matches the ID to the correct tire location. This is especially important for trucks with many tires, because accurate identification helps prevent false alarms or missed warnings. Whenever tires are rotated, replaced, or sensors are swapped, the IDs must be updated in the system. If not, the truck might give false alerts or fail to warn you about low pressure. That's why keeping the sensor IDs current is a key part of truck maintenance. In simple terms, TPMS sensor ID numbers work by giving each tire sensor a unique label. This label helps the truck system know exactly which tire is reporting pressure. It keeps everything running smoothly and safely on the road, preventing tire issues before they become serious.